Last time we saw how we could create this particle system which attracts to the hand. Now I connected two metaballs, so we can, thanks to one of you who asked what would happen, I experimented a bit and tried to find a good balance in the system for this. So it's very quick. Let's do it ourselves. Let's just delete this part, and the first thing you will do is go inside Connect here and turn off world space position and activate depth space position. It's more precise, I discovered in between, that to use this method. So here you're going here and select hand depth view, copy this, paste, and change the U to V. So now we can add a color to this. I will put blue because blue is a bit like left, and then right will be red. So I changed the L here to red in the to select, like this. So now we should have all the values. Let's activate the background so we can see each other, and you can see we have the positions here, but it's not attracted yet. We can duplicate this metaball, add a merge, and then we can reference all of these values. Just select them, press A to activate, and reference this as an export chop is more adapted. Anyways, here we have the values connected. We go into the math there, change this to negate the first math, the U position, and then in the multi-add I will suggest some values that I found a good balance, but of course feel free, depending on your distance to the Kinect, these values may also vary. So this is my setup, like facing the Kinect, so if you have the same, just follow along. So change this to 3.5, minus 1.5 here, and this one 4.2, 2.1, and the last one 3.5 and minus 1.5. So now we should have these particles attracted more or less to where the palm of your hand is. That's what I find the most interesting. So let's just have a look at this. Looks pretty good to me. See, we can kind of mix the cloud together, we can separate it, we can also, you know, tweak the parameters, force, turn down the force, makes it a bit cooler, like, you know, slower, kind of, turn this down, maybe a little bit of this. I mean, you can try different combinations, of course, and, well, actually I don't really like that. I prefer the vortex force is my favorite. So yes, this is what I wanted to show you to pursue the idea that you suggested, that we use two metaballs. It was a great idea, so if you have any other ideas, just feel free to share. We'll try to make it happen. We could also work with colors and maybe create some more have more control over the dispersion of them, and the size, depending on also of if we are close or distant. We can actually change the radius also, so you can just try to kind of, yeah, I don't know if this will be good, but So now it kind of changes the size of the particles in a way. I'm not sure. Anyways, if you have any suggestions, feel free to let me know. Have a great day, and bye. Goodbye.